In the wake of Storm Ophel, more than 13,000 passengers were stranded in various ports in the country. The Coast Guard prevented vessels, big or small, from going out to sea in areas affected by the storm. Among the vessels prevented from going out to sea were ships docked at the North Harbor, where Coast Guard Chief Luis Tuazon conducted an ocular inspection. The report from Noel Perfecto.
Because of the effects of tropical depression Ophel on the country, the new chief of the Philippine Coast Guard, Officer in Charge Rear Admiral Luis Tuazon, immediately took steps to help thousands of stranded passengers at the ports in Manila and Cebu. Rear Admiral Tuazon conducted an ocular inspection of some passenger sea vessels at Pier 2 of North Harbor.
So ngayon, marami-rami na yung stranded passengers. We already have about 22,123 passengers at a total of 218 vessels and 88 motor bangkas.
The Coast Guard leadership likewise issued running advisories about the do's and the don'ts when there's a tropical depression like Ophel.
Since yesterday, actually na-activate na yung ating Passenger Assistance Center base dun sa directive ni Secretary Abaya. So, nandun magkakasama yung taga-Philippine Ports Authority, ang ating Coast Guard, ang PNP Maritime Police, at siyempre yung ating mga kasamahan sa PPA. At ganun din yung ating mga Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary na tumutulong din sa pagmaman ng Passenger Assistance Center.
Coast Guard operatives continuously monitor the movement of the tropical depression, particularly when it made landfall in central Visayas this morning.
Tuloy-tuloy, palagi kaming kumukuha ng update sa Pag-asa. Sine-check din natin yung website nila para makita natin yung pati yung sa dami ng ulan na dala nitong bagyong ito. Mabuti na nga lang at hindi siya kalakasan, pero syempre kahit na mahinang cyclone, pinaghahandaan pa rin natin. Syempre iniwasan natin dito yung pagkakaroon ng ibang sakuna dahil yung possibility na magbaha doon sa ibang areas at madamage yung ibang mga kababayan natin na nagta-travel, yun sana yung ma-avoid natin.
Meanwhile, Tuazon said the Coast Guard is looking for 11 missing fishermen, 9 in the Scarborough area in Zambales and 2 in Agno, Pangasinan. At the same time, Tuazon also said that they are now preparing for the upcoming observance of All Saints' Day and All Souls' Day to ensure the safety of all passengers.
Pinagbabawal yung paglalayag ng barko kung mayroong storm signal doon sa pinanggalingan, sa dadaanan at saka yung sa kanyang pupuntahan. So mag-aantay na lang siguro tayo ng pagtatanggal ng storm signal at saka pa lang makapagpapatuloy ng paglalayag itong barkong ito.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.